and I really thought, what could be the best idea that I can run with in this series? Dating apps suck. What if my future husband isn't even in my country? There are 8 billion people in this world. Why should I limit myself geographically to find love? I work remotely. I don't mind moving abroad. I love traveling anyway. I'm going to take airport crushes to the next level. Welcome to the first episode of Building a Portfolio. In this series, I'm going to take you step by step of how to create your fake project in your UX portfolio from the idea stage to a fully fleshed case study. In this first episode, I'm gonna teach you how to come up with really good ideas, not something that you see in every junior design portfolio. Let's start. My first tip is thinking, what do you struggle with? When you create real project, you have real life users and you can ask them what do they struggle with, you can interview them. But now when it's a fake project, you are your best persona because you know what you struggle with the most, right? Think of your own problems and your own pain points in your day-to-day. List them down. It could be elevators, it could be walking your dogs. You don't need to think of solutions at this step. Go wild with your imagination and remember, it's a fake project. Just have fun with it and solve an actually interesting problem. The second tip is to think, which industry do you even want to work in? Are you interested in crypto? Are you interested in social media? What do you actually want to work on? I really recommend spending some time to think about it because if, for example, you would want to work in the crypto industry, you can have at least one project in this field. Imagine how amazing it would be that you will have crypto projects in your portfolio and not just like a calendar or a plant care app, which is, by the way, something I see a lot in junior portfolios. I don't want you to go with the easier route, okay? I want you to really think hard what you want to do. Whoever is going to look at your portfolio is automatically going to be intrigued if you're really passionate about the field of their own company, their own product. And I'm not saying that you need to have all 3 projects in your portfolio in that specific field, unless you really decided that you're niching down to this very small niche, which is completely fine. It's just not everybody is like that, but just have one project for this industry and also make sure that it's the first one that they see when you send them the portfolio. The third tip I can give you is have variety. Don't have all your projects in one medium, for example, only mobile or only web. Try to even think of an app for, I don't know, Apple Vision Pro, for example. Try to step out of the normal things, which is only mobile or web apps. Think beyond what you know. I'm gonna change. I'm so sorry. I bought this microphone. It's good, but it's so inconvenient. It's ugly. I'm gonna put it back here. I'm sorry it's not aesthetic enough, but hopefully you can hear me better now. And my last tip is finding an article or even a YouTube video that is discussing a problem that an app or a feature has. Hear me out. A few months ago, I posted this video, and in this video, I reacted to Waveform's podcast in an episode where Marquez and I think his name was David, were trying to find the perfect productivity app for Andrew. So I immediately thought, okay, Andrew is the persona, he tells them what he likes, what he doesn't like, and they were kind of, you know, the product managers, kind of try to find him like the best features in it. And that's why I decided to publish this video, and I really recommend you to watch it because it really helps you think like a UX designer. And I can tell you that I would be so impressed if someone showed me a project that he's done by a real persona that is on the internet. Like, yeah, I'm a junior, I don't have real projects, but I did my best to find a real project. You know what I mean? You can learn and build a really good case study on things like that. And it can be a video, it can be an article, it can be whatever. Go wild with your imagination. And here are some of the ideas that I came up with while planning this video. I thought about adding comments to Netflix, kind of like Instagram Live. I watch a lot of like Netflix shitty reality show. It's my guilty pleasure, don't judge me. And I would really love to know what people think. For example, when I was like, I wanted to talk to someone and like, oh my God, I can't believe he'd done that. So that was my first idea. My second one was a digital car wash for cars NFTs.
I just thought it could be a really cool and stupid idea. My third idea was a management app for YouTubers. I don't even want to tell you what tool I use to manage like my videos and uploads and stuff and kind of keep my timeline. Imagine if there was a tool that's like infused with AI and it would tell me which is my best thumbnail. Maybe I can even upload my thumbnail and this tool will tell me, based on all the analytics from YouTube, this thumbnail is gonna be trash, try to be more whatever. And I really thought, what could be the best idea that I can run with in this series?
Dating apps suck. What if my future husband isn't even in my country? There are 8 billion people in this world. Why should I limit myself geographically to find love? I work remotely. I don't mind moving abroad. I love traveling anyway.
I'm going to take airport crushes to the next level. Introducing stamps. Let love move you. That's not good enough. Introducing stamps. We're catching flights and feelings. I will design a dating app that is not location based, but for people that want to date outside of their zip code, like myself. It's gonna be compatibility based, and I have so many ideas already in my mind. The persona, again, is like me. It's people who work remotely, who don't mind moving abroad for love. That's why I thought Let Love Move You could be a good slogan. But don't worry about it, because we're gonna have a full episode only about like branding and your name and everything. It's gonna be so fun. I am so excited to finally be doing this series. So if you're still watching, you have homework. You need to come up with a really cool idea. I'm not sure next week I'm gonna have a video because I'm actually going to config. So excited. So stay tuned, and in the next episode we're gonna do the persona and market research. It's gonna be interesting, I promise. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell thingy so you'll be notified on my next video. I'll see you hopefully next week. Bye.